Introducing Caribbean spider lily, Hymenocallis caribaya of the family Amaryllidae ca. Caribbean spider lily can reach heights of 60 to 90 centimeters and boasts long, narrow leaves that give it a lush, tropical appearance. These leaves can grow up to 1 meter in length. The flowers themselves are the highlight, typical blooming in clusters. They can be white or light yellow, and their sweet fragrance attracts a variety of pollinators, including birds and insects, contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. It provides essential habitat for various wildlife species. In addition, the roots and leaves help stabilize sandy soils, preventing erosion and promoting healthy water drainage in coastal areas. Caribbean spider lily is primarily admired for its ornamental value. It has also been used in traditional herbal medicine. In some cultures, part of the plant are believed to have various therapeutic properties. Furthermore, the plant is often cultivated in gardens for its aesthetic appeal.